pasta and welcome back to my channel. I will show you experiment and call it ice cube rainbow. So if you have one of these, I have these colorful things in a glass. So stock it up. It's like a rainbow color. So see this? If you have one of this, just squirt it inside and fill up. So subscribe to this channel. So yeah, that's enough. Now we're gonna do the yellow. Ready? Yellow. One here. Now we're gonna do the green. Ready? Oops. And what? Like what? The two like the yellow is like green, and this one is just the same color. Why is that, guys? And the blue, the light blue. Whoop. See how light is it? And squirt. Oh, it will mess up my hands. Okay. Oh. I'm drying my hands on it. They'll have paper towels. And I think the dark blue now. Okay, guys? See? See how it's dark blue? Yeah. Do that. And the next one. Woo-hoo. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer. So guys, this is how the ice cube come out. So you're going to take your plate and this corner right here and have hot water, but let your parents do this part, okay? You're going to put the plate, take a paper towel and you're going to put the ice cubes head, okay? Cool. Yellow, green, and light blue. It's very cool, and purple. And when you put hot water, right? The ice will come, the water of the ice will come out and turn out like a rainbow. So let's wait. It come now cool, right? So let this thing do all the work. We're going more than the rest. The purple doing a little bit. The red, okay, the green, I don't think so. And the blue, yeah. So if you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. So guys, this is how it looks like after 5 minutes. Yeah. Well, it melts. They put some milk, but they make so much money in milk. You can believe? You can believe? So guys, the next experiment is rainbow color again, but it's different. So if you have any color, and this is milk, and this is still milk. And if you have these things, this will color in. So guys, let's put some colors in the milk. Open the food coloring. And take 3 straws. I'm going to take one of them and put any color I want. I'll go with yellow. I'm going to drop it up and put it somewhere. Alright. So hold it. Take so much in it. Fall out. Now we're going to put it down. And with the 2 straws, you're going to do the same thing. So, you put it in. Let it stay for a while. Open it. Come it out. And boop. Some more. Yeah. And the last one is blue. Have one more. Get the hold it. I think that's enough. Yeah. So guys, let's dip the Q-tip in this soap. So that's all it is. Okay? We're gonna look. See? So I keep doing it. We have a next one. Just touch it. Oh yeah. One more. Oh yeah. Cool, right? Keep doing it. Okay. So guys, look at that amazing thing. Oh my gosh. I want to see some more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't like it. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Some more, some more. And yeah. Look. It kind of looks like purple, right? Doing it some more. Look. I like it. So that was, so guys, I love to do the baking soda banana experiment. So let's do it again. So take 1 big spoon, put it inside here. And the next big spoon, put 1 big spoon in the green now. Oops. Yeah, big one. And 1 big one for the blue. Your favorite. And now we're going to take 1 thing to mix it aside. 1 thing. Next thing. And next one. And last one. Woo! And we're going to put this food over here on the paper towel. And we're going to take it for dinner. And ready for it? Let's go. Look at that! Oh And it's yellow. And then, oh yeah, skated. Guys, so that be it. Out the spoon. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Let's fix it up. Oh my gosh! It looks like Coca-Cola. So that was the vinegar and baking soda. The last experiment, we're gonna take vinegar and raw egg. And we're gonna put the vinegar inside this glass and wait for 24 hours. So stay tuned. So guys, at the 24 hours, let's check our egg out. So let's describe it. So you see this brown thing, right? So the brown part, the shell, it ripped out because of this. The shell got ripped off and got ripped off of from this. So it smells so yucky. So you take the spoon. Oh right, it come big. You see, wonder, and I have plenty bubbles. So yeah, let's take it out. The brown part. So guys, this is regular egg, and this is one in the vinegar. Alright, guys, you see the difference? So now we're gonna put the egg somewhere. See, we're gonna put this one like inside the water. So put it inside, let it soak up now, you know? So, and that, ooh, look at that. Look at how the white. If you would let us subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, baby. Okay. So I was washing it all. Let it come white like this, but then washing it some more other things. So it will be gentle because I can pop. I need to do again. Oh, you see that white and yellow part a little bit? That probably the squishy bouncy ball that. And play this. Let's see if it's bouncy. Whoa! Whoa! I caught it! Feels squishy. And yeah. So that is the 24 hours excited. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. It's an egg. The real egg is inside the squishy. So cool. Yolk. Yolk is the egg. The yellow part is the yolk. Called yolk. Let's make some eggs. So that is the exciting top and subscribe. So bye.